Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today I'm going to show you a marble cake. So let's get started. I have already prepared the vanilla sponge cake. This is soft and smooth in texture. This is a homemade sponge cake from scratch. I have already shown you how to make eggless sponge cake. I have given the link in the description box, you can check out the video. Now I'm layering the cake. I have got 2 layers. Now the first layer, soak with simple water. Now I'm adding some cream, whipping cream. I have mixed very crush with the whipping cream. Spread it nicely with the help of a spatula. Your hand should be very light. You should not give any pressure to your hand while applying the cream. Just spread the cream evenly to your cake. Now again I'm going to add very crush over the cream. Spread the very crush into your whipping cream. Now place your second layer. Apply some water, simple water. Now cover the cream with the sides of the cake. Now on top of the cake, again I'm going to apply some cream, very cream. Spread it nicely. So this way we are crumb coating our cake. While watching my video, do like, comment, share and hit the bell icon. Our whole cake is covered with berry flavor. In every bite of your cake you will get this flavor. For marble cake, your cake should be in dome shape. So I'm going to cut the sides of the cake. Just the sharp edges of the cake. I'm just going to cut the edges, so that after applying the cream, I won't get any sharp edges. This way we will get our dome shape. So one side I have trimmed the cake. Always for marble cake you need a dome shape so that your finishing will look properly. So I'm just cutting the sides of the cake. Still slightly some part is missing, so I'm just giving a cut. Okay, we are done with our trimming. So now again I'm going to apply same very cream. I'm going to just cover the cake with this very cream. Now refrigerate this crumb coated cake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I am again going to apply some whipping cream. This is a plain whipping cream. I have not used any crush over here. Spread it evenly. On the sides of the cake, spread it evenly. So I have covered the whole cake with the cream. Now as we need our dome shape, so I'm just going to give a dome shape to my cake. For dome shape, use the spatula from downside to upside, so that we don't get any sharp edges. Now using a scraper, I'm going to give a dome shape to my cake. For marble cake, you don't need any too much of cream. Till cream is enough for the cake. As we are going to cover the whole cake with sauce, we don't need too much of whipping cream. So our dome shape is ready. Now for sauce, you will need 25 grams of white chocolate. I have used choco chips, white choco chips, and 25 grams of Amul fresh cream. You can also use white chocolate instead of choco chips. Melt it nicely. Now, using a strainer, strain the white sauce so that you won't get any lumps in your sauce. So straining the sauce is the must. Now into this sauce, I'm going to add neutral gel 1 tablespoon. Mix it nicely. Then I'm going to add raw whipped cream. This is the star whipped cream. I'm directly pouring the liquid part of the cream. Now our sauce is ready. Now time to add some colors. I'm going to add 3 types of color. 5 to 6 drops of blue color, 5 to 6 drops of purple color, and 5 to 6 drops of pink color. All are liquid colors. Now your cake should be ready, and directly pour this sauce over your cake. You will get a marble effect. This is called as marble cake. In marble cake, you will get this type of stripes in your cake. This is marble cake. Thank you.